Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. This is Mohan again. So today I'll talk about some of the questions which are basically asked by a new online marketer, or if someone wants to start that online business, they typically ask these questions. So first they see my post, they see all the activity which I do, and they ask me that, hey Mohan, what you do? So I just inform them, okay, I'm doing online business. So they again ask me like, okay, I also want to do the online business, what should I do? Then I inform them about some tricks, some tactics, and also I inform them that if you want to start your online business, you should at least have need to do some kind of investment. At least $100 you should invest in learning or the courses or the some product. So their next question will be, uh, will I be successful? Is there any guarantee that I will be successful in online space? So I would like to answer that question in today's live. That like what the question is like, uh, is there what is the guarantee of me being successful in online business? So guys, it's a business, and it's a small investment which you are doing to build your career. So when I ask like, okay, so what is your target? What amount you want to earn per month? So they say like, okay, I want to earn $1,000. Then again, as I said, like next question will be, can you invest $100 in your learning? So they will say they are not sure about it. So guys, if you want to if you want to earn at least $1,000 a month, you should at least consider that $100 as an investment, plus your efforts and your time. So guys, what happens like, most of the time people join in any affiliate program, or they try to promote some affiliate products, and they want the result very soon. So just consider this as in our education system. What happens like, if you are doing any college degree, then you invest a lot of amount, and you invest 4 years, 3 years in that course, and even they do not give guarantee that you will get a job. I know that during that those 3 years you will have one degree, and you will have a lot of knowledge, but ultimately the end goal is getting some job, and earning out of that education system, or after doing that degree. So just consider that thing, like if you are investing a huge amount in your study, and it is, I mean, you will not ask for guarantee of job from the college. So it is like it works the same way. If you are investing $100 in online space, there is definitely no guarantee that you will be successful. So if you, and again, if I take the analogy from college, so if you are consistent, if you are studying hard, if you are working hard, if you are learning new things every day, every month, every year, then at the end of 3 or 4 years of your college course, you will get a chance for the interview, and you may get successful in that. So it is like same. So if you are investing $100 in your online business, and if you are putting your efforts, if you are learning a lot of things, if you are implementing, if you are taking actions, then at the end of maybe 1 month, 2 month, 3 months, you will get a result. So guys, there is no guarantee that you will be successful in online space, but again, it depends on your commitment, your actions, your learning, that that will make you successful. So if you really want to start online business, just search about it, how it works, just take help from the people who are already in that business, and it will be a good a good sum of money you will get, and it will be a second source of income, as we have noticed, or we have experienced in past years, that one source of income, it can vanish anytime. So what I think is, it is mandatory to have at least two sources of income as of now. So you can start your online business in your free time, your part time, but the thing is, you should have that commitment, you should spend some time in your learning, then only you will be successful in that online space. So I hope I have answered that questions. So this is all for today, and Please stay tuned with me, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Good night.